All right. What do you have to say? You want to make a YouTube video. What's up, you guys? We're back with another video. It's been a long time since we did one like this. We got my twin here, Little Row. But anyway, so I've been doing a lot of trading here lately, and if you guys would like to see me do some videos of trading and kind of taking guys along, see, I do a lot of that on my free time, you know, as a hobby. But anyway, so I've been doing a lot of trading here lately. Ended up with a Power Wagon, to say the least. So we got a 3rd gen Power Wagon, not back there, but this direction. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm currently, let me flip the camera. We're currently trying to spray paint the wheels. So yeah, you can kind of see what we got going on here. I asked ChatGPT, it said WD-40 and a credit card, and it's kind of working now. It looks like the rim is actually kind of scratched anyway, so I might could just go ahead and I don't really know. Anyway, but yeah, I'm working on this, and it sucks. Anyway, but this is the truck. You can see it's kind of big, but let's back up, take a look at it. Boom. Here we go. Yes, there's this side of it right here. The yard's filthy today. Then we got this side of it. So still got to do some wheels over here. Bro, what you got going on here with your four-wheeler?
Yeah.
You mud around?
I can't visit time.
Yeah.
Over here.
You got your tricycle in there and everything, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta move that truck.
Okay.
I gotta move that truck.
Anyway, but this is the truck, you guys. Power Wagon. Now the Power Wagons, of course, if you guys know, the Power Wagons do have the Hemi. They don't have the diesel or anything. That's kind of why they're sort of rare in a way. But anyway, so this is the inside. It looks pretty good. Now we traded a four-wheeler for this, believe it or not. We traded a Polaris 500 HO. I'll throw up a picture of it right here somewhere so you guys can see it. I ended up buying that for my dad and traded that for the truck. But I've actually traded a lot of things to get some more things. I got a motorcycle over there that I've been doing some trading to get. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Okay, so this is the back. You can see we got the car seats back here. Looks pretty good. Got the bed. Boom. Wheels. No license plate, of course. And then, let's see. Oh, this rim's been done, so we don't have to do anything to this rim. So we just kind of got to clean it up. But yeah, you guys, that is the Power Wagon. Kind of quick little video. If you guys would, like I said, like to see some more of this, for me to take you guys along, maybe doing some, I don't know, maybe like a trade video, like where I do some trading and stuff. And if you guys would like to see a series about doing like trading up to bigger things, be sure to drop a like and hit the subscribe button. Let me know down below.